Hi, it's Sylvia here with Vintage Kitchen Vixen, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to sprout your own sprouts. I used to buy sprouts on a weekly basis, and the cost kind of added up because I was spending anywhere from $3 and up for sprouts. Sunflower sprouts ran higher because there's a little bit more work involved with them, because once they start sprouting from their shells, you have to physically remove the seed shell husk, and there's a little bit of a root that you also kind of need to pick out. But for the most part, it's really easy to do your seeds. So here, you can't probably see it very well, but I will be showing pictures, so don't worry. Here I have fenugreek seeds, and I'm dripping because it's in water. And then I also have alfalfa, and this is one of my favorites. The sprouts, they're great in sandwiches, to throw in salads, put in a wrap, very versatile. If you sprout beans, like mung beans or chickpeas, you can throw those into soups, just for an extra crunch factor and more health. So you can find sprouting seeds on Amazon. I'll provide a link. You can also find it in your health food stores. But here I have my fenugreek seeds, I have alfalfa, and I also have curly cress seeds. These, I can't do them the way I'll be showing you today. You need to kind of put them on a little plate and spritz them because they turn into gel. And I learned that the hard way, so it's kind of like a chia seed in that sense. And then in bulk from the health food store, I also bought radish seeds, and those, they smell a little bit, strong flavor, and same with mustard seeds. They have a lot to work with. You can also get sunflower seeds, which I already talked about that. But here I have the sprouting tower, and you can also use jars at home. You just need to get a little screen for your mason jar top. You put your seeds in, and then you put water in, and then you turn it upside down to drain them, and you refresh the water twice a day. But with this, I like my tower system. I put my seeds in. I start one a day usually, so I can have a rotation of them. So I put my seeds, and then I just pour water over top after I empty out this white container. Can you see my white container? But I emptied the water out of here, and then every morning and every evening, I rotate them out. I put fresh water over them, and then I have a continual supply of fresh sprouts. So depending on the size of your sprouts, alfalfa and anything that is sized like alfalfa, usually a teaspoon is a good rule of thumb to use. So you start, if you use this little tower method that I do, you start with a teaspoon and you soak them for a couple of hours. If it's a bigger seed, like sunflower seeds, it's advised that you soak them for at least 12 hours just to give them that extra soaking time that they need. And here I already have beans or seeds that I have soaked. So what I would do, my thing is full of water, so bear with me for a quick second. Empty this. I'm going to rotate this. So I had my fenugreek on top. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you how to rinse these a little bit later, but for now they can go on the bottom. And I'm going to put my brand new seeds on the top. I just dump it in there. Might need more water. Normally I do this over a sink, but the sink isn't as good of a camera shot, you know? So usually I put a couple cups of water in here to get this going, but now I have it going, and now we wait. It takes about five days to get sprouts.